วัสดีค่ะ Hello everybody, welcome back to jirasthaikitchen from Scotland channel. This weekend, I would like to show you a step-by-step how to cook the simple and easy Thai food. It's the easiest and most flavorful homemade Thai beef red curry. You will ever make just less than 30 minutes. And it's also very easy to find the ingredients in your local. So let me show you what the ingredients are. Let's start! Of the ingredients that we're going to make delicious Thai beef red curry. In this video, I'm going to use 400 grams of beef steak. The reasons I'm using beef steak because it's tender and it won't take long to cook. So we cut it in the size of 1 inch. 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, which you can find it from your local supermarket. 1.5 tablespoons of plum sugar. If you don't have plum sugar at home, you can also use sugar cane for 1.5 tablespoons. 1 or 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Please make sure you taste every time before you add the fish sauce in, you taste the food first because you don't want to add it too much and you don't want your food to taste salty. Some red chilies, 200 grams of bamboo shoots, 200 grams of coconut cream. The coconut cream is a thick layer at the top of the can. So you take it out for 200 grams. And what's left in the cans, you mix with the warm water to make it to 400 milliliters. The last thing that we put in the curry is basil leaves. After everything is cooked, you put some of the basil leaves in. So here we go. So this is all the simple ingredients that we're going to make delicious Thai beef red curry for your dinner tonight. Let's start! So we place the frying pan on the cooker with the medium heat, and then we will add the coconut cream in the pan. Keep stirring it until it's boiled and until the cream separates from the water. Just starting to boil. When it starts to boil like this, we add some of the red curry paste into it. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit of coconut milk there. You can see the pasty is getting a little bit oily from the coconut milk. So that is ready. You can see it's look a bit oily. The colors look nicer. So you can take it out from the cooker. Place the pot on the cooker and we add the coconut milk in the pot. Then we will add the pasty, the red curry paste into the coconut milk. We keep stirring it until it's boiling. It starts boiling now. Smell nice. So it starts boil now. Because I'm using the beef steak, I don't need to cook it first with the coconut milk or anything like that. I can still put it straight to my curry. Place the beef in. Place some of the bamboo shoots in as well. We will cover it with the medium heat for 10 or 15 minutes. So after it's cooked for 15 minutes, we will add some of palm sugar in. So before we add the fish sauce, we better taste first. So I will add the fish sauce in about 1.5 tablespoons. We add some chilies in. Now we can switch off the cooker. Add some of the basil leaves in as well. Now it's ready to serve. Red curry with beef stick. Now it's ready to serve. Red curry, beef. We decorate a bit of chili. With basil. So here is the Thai beef red curry for your dinner tonight. You can have it with rice. It's ready to serve. Thai beef red curry for your dinner tonight. Hope you will enjoy it and you will find it easy to cook it by yourself. Please click like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jirasthaikitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.